Okay, so we got one of these Whirlpool Golds, and if you look here, this says that we need to change our filter. Green is good, yellow is not too good, red is change filter. Light indicator reset, push button, switch 5 times in 10 seconds to reset indicator to green. So anyway, this is our water dispenser here, and then down here is where we put the filter in. And the filter for this specific machine is a Drops Whirlpool Maytag. They fit all of them. It's for 6 months, and it's a number 6 refrigerator filter. You gotta take this thing off the top before you put it in, because otherwise the water won't get through it. And then we just stick it in there. That's it. So let's set it right here for now. Let's pull this bad boy out. You gotta turn this, that, and it just comes out. So when it goes in, we're gonna put it in and then turn it like that. So we're gonna pull it out. It's gonna leak. Let's go ahead and just set it over here. This slides off of here very easily, just like that. You see that? And then you slide the other one on. So to get the other one on, just turn it this way and just slide it in there like that. Just like that. That's it. And then what we've got to do is just put it in, just like that. And push it in, and then we got to turn it. I do believe that's it. Now I gotta clean up that mess. Now, to get this thing to turn to green, we've got to push the light switch over here. We gotta push it 5 times. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And still, oh, there it is, turn green. All right, so I guess we're ready to go. I guess we did it. Let's clean up that water. If you don't have it in there good, it'll probably leak all over the place. So I think we got it in though. So let's go ahead and get some water and see how it looks. I wouldn't drink out of the first batch, but oh, coming out good. And you can put, oh, it's not stopping. It's not stopping. That was not good. Watch. For some reason, it drains out right after you put the new filter in. So make sure you got a big cup to catch all the water. Maybe it's because you just put the new one in. Yeah, that's probably it. That was scary. I didn't know what to do. All right, so I think we're okay. We pour the water out. This is stuff that could happen to you. Let's try it again. There's 2 ways you can do it. You'll notice when I push this in, water comes out. Now when I pull off, it should stop. Or I can push this, and the water comes out. But I think we're good. We're green, and it stopped flowing. That was kind of scary. It wouldn't stop flowing. But I guess we got it done right. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I do shit and I don't know what the hell I'm doing. There's the old one. Oh boy.